those are some of the things when we are showing it. People get excited about the deck, and when we have the doors on, we have the rock slider.
Rock slide engineer, and we have
Engineering.
the slider steps. And this is a great piece, as you know, because we're not getting any younger, right? So our knees and stuff might be a little more fragile. This gives us a nice power step that comes down. But it's not just a step, because normally when we say step, we think of something that's going to drag the ground or something that's going to decrease our ground clearance. This is motorized. It goes up and down. And you would think that that would be a problem being used off-road. But this is made out of steel. This is good.
And they serve as rock sliders.
They do. It
as
will
well.
protect the body. If you're going to off-road hard, we recommend adding the additional skids. We didn't on this because we weren't planning on doing the Rubicon Trail. We were planning on going hunting and fishing and camping and just getting out to see the world. We didn't add them. We didn't want the weight. But for somebody who's going to go off-road extra hard, they do have heavy skid packages that go on there, and then you can go out and beat on it like it's any rock slider.
And we did add the LED lights.
We did,
So
which
when
is
you,
really nice.
when you open the door, the step drops down, and at night it's really convenient.
You can see.
It spills light all over the step and on the ground.